I'm here with Wilson Adcock from Pioneer Electronics in the US. At the CES 2007, you're demoing quite an interesting setup here. It's made of car audio components in a hi-fi show?
Yes, sir. Car audio in the home hi-fi show. And the result of this has been quite amazing. We're set up at the Venetian Hotel. We are demoing the PRS speakers, which you can see behind me. The setup that's available here in the U.S. consists of a 6.5 tweeter and a passive crossover network.
Let me clarify this.
Okay.
These are car audio speakers.
Yes, sir.
In special enclosures for the show.
Yes, sir.
Are car audio speakers.
Presentation in the car, we would typically mount in a door application or a kick panel, and a B pillar or high up in the door. But this is car audio.
Wow. And well, how could you get hi-fi sound from such a system? What are these components here?
Actually, this is the brain and where it all happens. The speaker gives us very good sound resolution, but the products that you're looking at in front of you have very, very high-end technical capabilities, which allows the information to come off a CD and be reproduced in a very accurate way. From that point, it hits a very accurate speaker, it comes out into the environment, we produce good sound in the car.
So here you have a front unit with CD and preamplification.
Yes, sir.
Then amplifiers. All these are car audio components.
Yes, sir. All car audio components.
That gave you like the same sound quality that you have here in a car.
Yes, sir.
And let's say for these speakers available in the US,
yes, sir.
How much do they retail for?
The 6-inch in the tweeter is available in the U.S. Retail price is $550. There's a 5-inch and a tweeter also available. Retail price $500. This set here was custom designed to come for the show to show the opposite side of what Pioneer can do and to give us a very good demo presentation. There's a 4-inch here that is pretty much worldwide, and a lot of these products are offered worldwide. They're looking at releasing some of this new technology into the U.S. market. Hopefully we can get it.
And I see that on the other side of the room you get another setup.
Yes, sir.
Higher hand setup?
Yes, sir. Much higher.
And all these are running from, you said, battery?
Yes, sir. This is, again, 12-volt car audio. If you can shine the camera to the back of the speaker here, you will find there's a standard car battery. That is part of the power supply that runs this system. To the left of it, the other black box in the corner acts as an alternator, which converts the AC to DC current, which allows us to power the 12-volt amplifiers in a hotel room.
So it's like having a car in a hotel room?
Yes, sir, it is. We couldn't actually bring the car into the room. I don't know if they'd appreciate that here at the Venetian.
Can you give us a few details about these monstrous amplifiers?
Yes, sir. This is an incredible setup. This is the high-tech digital realm that Pioneer ODR offers. It's available in Japan, Europe, and South America right now, possibly here in the U.S. in the future. Total system price is $25,000. Wow. We start off with same style head unit, but instead of having an external processor, the processor is built into the first main amplifier. From that point, it daisy chains out to the sister amplifiers that control each independent speaker. We can actually control in the car phase shift, time alignment, and EQing of each individual driver to accompany position of where the driver of the car is sitting.
Whoa.
So a lot of flexibility here. Unlike home audio, we also can calibrate the phase shift, which in this room we used a new device that's being introduced for dealers only to calibrate, set, and tune this system to get you at a higher level so you can tune to your own personal preference from that point.
Whoa.
It is definitely state-of-the-art and high-end technology.
That's the most flexible system we've seen in years, I'd say.
Yes, sir, and that's the reason why it's being offered at the home part of the Venetian and the CES show.
Well, thank you for this little interview. I hope all these products will make it to USA and Europe, maybe.
Yes, sir. A lot of this is shipping in Europe. For those of you that are seeing this overseas, you have availability for a lot of these products.
Okay. Thank you, Wilson.
Thank you for having me.